This is Paul.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
July 6th of 2012.
Yeah.
I was on trial. Now, the Clallam County Sheriff's Department probably remembers arresting me.
Yeah.
On the 27th of May of 2012.
Yes.
Now, who was it that had the jurisdiction to renew the protection order? The judge that heard the case or Commissioner Brent Baisden? Uh-huh. And when you accuse somebody of violating a protection order and you have them arrested,
Yes.
Mm-hmm, they're on trial.
Right.
Renewing a protection order without the verdict of the jury.
Yes.
What jurisdiction do you have to renew the protection order? Now, as I mentioned, there were 4 different no contact orders at that time.
Right.
There was the unsupervised probation.
Yeah.
There was the protection order that I was accused of violating.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. There was the reissuing of the protection order.
Right.
On July 6th of 2012. And then there was the personal recognizance.
Right.
Mm-hmm. Where it was a no contact order for me to be on PR.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when you think about using public notices, mm-hmm, you're reissuing of a temporary order for protection and notice of hearing.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mail and publication.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of may serve responded by publication. Now, the modified protection order.
Yeah.
That you didn't document.
Yes.
The docketed court hearing, and I got no notice or opportunity to be heard.
Right.
And then the court hearing that you docketed on the 26th.
Yeah.
Where it didn't really matter if I appeared in court.
Right.
Mm-hmm. Because you'd already modified it on the 16th.
Yes.
Uh-huh. So we have one court hearing.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm, that violated my civil rights.
Right.
Because the docketed court hearing was the 26th.
Right.
We have a second court hearing
Mm-hmm.
on July 6th.
Yes.
Where you didn't have the jurisdiction of the arrest.
Yeah.
And you didn't have the verdict of the jury that I was guilty.
Right.
But you renewed it anyway.
Right now.
And then
Mm-hmm.
we have the actual renewing of the protection order for 2 years. Right. Mail and publication, and the Clallam County Sheriff's Department calling me approximately 1 week before the court hearing on the 30th of August.
Yes.
Of 2013,
Mm-hmm.
where you didn't serve me on or before the next judicial day after having issued it.
Yeah.
You waited 9 weeks until I had left the county.
Yes.
Now, this public notice actually documents,
Yes.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Oh.
3,
Mm-hmm.
24 days, not 42.
Yeah.
4,
Yeah.
5,
Yes.
5 different civil rights violation events
Yeah.
that took place during this publication.
Mm.
Now, yesterday you thought it was bad.
Poop.
Because I was a little upset with you. But I've had all night to think about it.
Yes.
And you put in a public notice.
Yes.
A public notice of violating civil rights at least
5 different times. 5 different times.
now. Let's say I wanted to sue you. And you thought I was stupid for sitting on the side of the street for 2.5 hours uploading 88 videos to the 7777 channel.
Yeah.
Me wanting to make sure that I have documented all the lawsuits that I'm going to file. Now, yesterday,
Yes.
it was the $750 million question.